Do you want to learn English? Do you want to speak English? Are you a beginner? Yes, I am also a beginner. And you are thinking where I should start learning English, right? Well, dear friend, this video is for you. Why? Because you and I are beginner. First of all, make a story about your friend, which will be your object. I love the name Priya, so Priya is my object. Let's start how to make sentences about Priya. Priya is good girl. Priya is a good girl. I love Priya. Priya is tall. She has curly hair and she has a sharp nose. Priya has two hands. Priya looks good. So I love Priya. Thank you friends. See you next time.